This problem belongs to center of mass and collision topic, and subtopic is center of mass. A ball of mass 1 kg is thrown up with an initial speed of 4 meter per second. A second ball of mass 2 kg is released from rest from some height as shown in figure. This is the question and the options are: the center of mass first moves up and down with acceleration g by 3. Second option is the center of mass first moves up and then comes down. Third option is the acceleration of center of mass is g downwards. Fourth option is the center of mass of the two balls remains stationary. This is multiple answer question. Let's solve it. Students, this is the given figure. One ball is thrown up with initial speed 4 meter per second. The ball mass is 1 kg. Okay. And the second ball is released from rest, whose mass is 2 kg. Released from rest means what? The initial speed will be 0 meter per second only, right? So, let's write down the given data. M1 is equal to, what is the, I will take this ball as first mass. M1 is equal to 1 kg. Okay, and initial speed of this mass is U1, that is equal to how much? 4 meter per second. Okay, and what about the second ball mass? M2. M2 is equal to 2 kg. Initial speed of this second mass 0 meter per second. This is the given data, right? So we have acceleration of center of mass formula. What is that? A center of mass is equal to M1 A1 bar plus M2 A2 bar divided by M1 plus M2, right? M1 plus M2. So now what is M1 here? 1 kg. So 1 into what is A1? Means gravity, right? Acceleration due to gravity will be z only. Plus M2 is equal to how much? 2 kg. So 2 into, and acceleration of second mass also what? G only, divided by M1 1 plus 2. So 1g plus 2g 3g divided by 3 get cancelled, so we'll get g. G is downward. G is always downwards only, no? So G is the downward. Acceleration of center of mass is g downward. So option C is correct. So option C is correct. Then automatically option D will be wrong. Why? Because they told that center of mass of two balls remains stationary. We already came to know it is moving, right? It is accelerating. So option C is correct. Option D is wrong. Let's check out A and B options also. So this is the speed of center of mass is equal to M1 U1 plus M2 U2 divided by M1 plus M2, right? So let's substitute the values. What is M1 here? 1 kg. Yes, no? 1 kg into what is the speed of U1? U1 is equal to 4, right? Plus M2 means 2 kg. What is speed? 0. Okay. Divided by M1 means 1 plus 2. M2 means 2. Right? Here one point you need to remember that suppose if the body moves up with certain speed, I will take it as positive. Okay. Suppose if the body moves down, then I will take that speed sign as negative. Okay. Let's see here. This is moving upward. So I will take it as plus 4. Okay. And this is moving with downward, right? This is the speed of downward direction. So I will take it as minus. Anyhow, there is no difference of 0 plus or minus, right? Yes. So this is the way. and that is equal to how much you'll get? 4 divided by 3. We got positive value. So the direction we have to take as initially it will go up and again it will come down. So the option B is correct. Okay. So in this way we have to check. See here it is no need to take always positive for the upward direction. If you take upward direction as negative, downward direction we can take it as positive. Then also we'll get the same answer. So we can take any direction as one like positive and any other direction as negative direction also. Okay. So this will shows that the center of mass first moves up and then comes down. So option B is correct and C is also correct, right? So this is the way we have to solve the problem. I hope you understand this. Thank you.